So in our previous class we covered SAS SQL. So today we are also going to continue SAS SQL part. Okay, so we already covered that how to apply conditions, how to use select query, apply conditions, how to sort our data. Okay, so now I am coming to the next topic, which is very important one, how to join data. Okay, so I think we already seen that using in data step we can use merge statement to join two tables. Okay, so basically I told that we have three types of join: inner join, left join, and the right join. Okay, so we will take the same example, but in this case we use the SQL queries for join operations. Okay, so simple thing is that why we are joining tables, because when we have to select data from multiple tables to make it in a single table. Okay, inner join means you are taking the rows, which is rows or observations which are common between your two tables. Okay, simply thing is that inner join returns only subset of rows from the first table that matches rows from the second table. It means common between four tables. So now I am coming to the syntax. Select column 1, column 2, column n, then from is your keyword, then your first table, okay, as allies is nothing, is just an alternative name, okay. Then you can specify inner join. This is your keyword. This is table 2 as keyword, and this is the allies name of table name 2, okay. And on is your keyword, and then you are applying some condition, okay, like table 1 once allies dot a column is equal to allies 2 dot column. So basically this is your condition, and you can apply multiple conditions. Why we are using allies or alternative names? Because what happens, sometimes in your board tables the column names are same. How to differentiate column names if they are same between your two tables? Then you differentiate by their table name. So that's reason we use a allies name or alternative name to just differentiate your columns when they are common between two tables. Okay, let's go for example. So here I am creating two data sets, and then we will perform our inner join. So we are good here. So here I am creating a data set CS in the library training, contains two variables, employee ID and employee name, both are character one. And down also same thing, is a mechanical, and library is a training, and this is for employee ID, employee name and salary. Okay, so I am running both together. Okay, the first table is your CS and the second table is your Mac. Okay, So now you have to perform inner join. So I already told you that inner join will give you the records which is common between your both tables. So in this case, you can see that employee 3 and employee 5 are common between your two tables. Okay, because here we are using very small examples, so at least you can just see it. But when you are running with a very huge data, then your query should be in perfect way. Okay, so I am coming here. Proc SQL is my keyword. Select is my keyword. So here first, this is my first table, CS, which is I specifying by library. Then as A is my alternative name. Okay, and here also same thing for second table. For second table, 10.mac I had given as a B. For this, remember one thing, this is the single query. Yeah,
Sorry?
Amit, what changes you are asking?
No, like on the screen, sir. Did you run it for the output? Did you run the code, sir?
No, right now I did not run any code. So you are able to see
Okay.
the result window?
No, sir, I'm not able to see the result. That's what I'm asking.
Supriya, for you
I
also
just
same?
entered and
So, 1 minute. So, screen is not moving?
yes. No, sir. Can you run the code now?
Just 1 minute.
Like in your window.
Now you are able to
Sir,
see
there
this?
is an no, no, sir. There is an error here that says the organizer is experiencing technical difficulties. Unless the organizer rejoins, the meeting will end in 5 minutes. I'm getting an error like this.
Okay.
Means it is like it is not consistent, but it just comes and goes.
Now, from my side, everything is good.
It's good, right? Yeah, maybe my connectivity is slow or something. I'll switch to my phone and just try it once again, sir.
Okay. Supriya, you are also facing same
Supriyo is
problem?
not able to hear anything. Like, I'm not able to hear.
Okay, just try to change your mode.
Yeah, sir, sure, sure. I'll just give me a minute, sir.
Yeah, sure. Just let me know when you are able to see my screen and you are able to hear me. Just try to reconnect it because from my side, I think everything is good.
Sir, am I audible? I am able to see the result window.
Hello, Amit.
Yes, sir, I am able to see the result window.
Okay, fine. Then I think we are
Yeah,
full.
I am able to hear you also.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So basically, I'm running these two tables. So first one is TS, and training I told is a library. So down is and is contains two variables, employee ID and the employee name. Both are the character variable. Here second table is a training.mac. Training is my library and Mac is my another data set. It contains three variables: employee ID, employee name, which are the character, and the salary is my numeric one. I am running both it. So here I can say that I have two tables. Okay. So there are two tables. So you have to just perform an inner join. So I already told you inner join, it means when you have to just look out which is the common between your two tables. So from here, because it's a very small data set, you can see about that employee 3 and employee 5 are common in your database. Okay. So here I am going to perform a inner join. ProgSQL is my keyword as usual. Select. Okay. I'm taking for this one. Firm is my keyword. This is, remember, this thing is a complete a single query, single statement. Okay. This is your first table, and you are giving a alternative name by using the as keyword. So A. Okay. Then inner join is your keyword because you are performing inner join. Training.make is your second table, and then this is the alternative name is B. S is your keyword. So here what you are doing it, you are using A.employee ID. Okay, so it will just taking employee ID of first table because the alternative of name of your first table is A. Here employee name from first table. Again A is my alternative name for train.cs and B.salary. B is the alternate name of my second table, which is training.mac. Then I'm using a keyword on. So basically here I am not using on. Sorry, where we are using on. And then I am putting a condition. What's my condition? That the first table employee ID should be equal to second table employee ID. So I am using A.employee ID. Again, A is going to refer your first table and B is going to refer to your second table. So when I am running this one, I am getting this output. Employee ID, employee name, the salary. So here I am performing a inner join. So anyone has any problem regarding this query? Or we are good? So we are good. So again, I told you that inner join means you are taking the rows which is common between your two tables. Okay. So if you are good, then I am moving to the next topic, which is the left join. Anyone has any
Sir,
doubt?
1 minute.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm here.
Sir, actually, yeah, my screen it is getting blocked here. I am able to see only one table out. The result sheet of one table only.
Uh,
Means like
no,
screen is hanging, sir. Like
no. Maybe I will say one thing because from my side everything is good. Okay,
yeah,
maybe
because I means I tried both. I tried like it, the 4G network also. I tried the Wi-Fi also, but still screen is getting stuck here. I'm seeing the result sheet only now.
no. I think it's not fluctuating
It's
there.
not changing. Yeah, now it changed. Now I think
No, so I will say one thing.
now I'm
I
able
think
to see.
so. I think Amit,
Yeah, sir.
in this case, I think the problem is from internet connection because
Okay.
because straightforward. Don't take me wrong,
Right.
also because everything was
No, no,
good
no,
from
no.
my side. Okay, maybe sometime it
Mm,
happens. Maybe you're using the
mhm.
dongle.
No, sir. I have the wired Wi-Fi connection as
Mhm.
well as 4G in my phone. Both
Okay,
the end still causing me problem.
no, because from my side everything is good. So are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm able to hear your voice. Means Superior is asking me whether I can hear your voice. He sent a message now. I think Superior is not able to hear an audio.
I don't know what the problem is going on.
Yeah, now I'm seeing two screens.
Okay, do one thing. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
I'm we all of them are going to disconnect it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and then we are going to connect it
Okay,
again.
sir.
Okay,
Sure,
so
sir. Sure.
okay,
It will be the same ID, right? It will be the same meeting ID,
yeah,
ending 173.
same meeting ID.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir. Sure. Just try that.